push it on, cause I've been here for too long. Yes, it's time to fly, got to get along, cause I've been here for too long. Got to, cause I'm made for the sky.
I dream what these wings won't do, cause counting sheep is easy as 1, 2. Jumping out the nest to catch some bird food. Clutch so tense that the knuckles turn blue. I've been the wise man, check horizon. Read the flight plan, spread the lifespan. Sky heights are set, it's time to climb these steps. We only trying to get free from the spider's web. Gotta murder all the messing around. Carry the burden of work, never setting it down. With a spotlight now, my shot, my chance. Put a plot of land in the pockets of my pants. Break loose, race roof when the kick drops. They flew straight through, no pit stops. Lift off with your head in the clouds, or get lost in the rest of the crowd.
Been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to ride early in the morning. Yeah, made for this. Been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to fly. Got to get along. Made for this.
And here's a foldable slash rap notable slash mic on, but Janet's still controlling you. I'm rarely candid, my view panoramic. My eyes wide shut, if not one, a hole in two. I'm packing double, getting up too early. I'm actually trouble, kinda acting 7:30. Attracted to this earth, maybe acting kinda worldly. Running on my worth, it says, Ev, I better hurry. I'd rather worry bet than being pushed through the line. Still a perfect record jet, never late when I fly. Moving hectic, test the patience of this time when I rhyme. Not a nod to death or dying, saying late for the sky. Late for my prime, but something that was shaped by design. I've been running while the others burn from racing the line. Making it great, coincides with making it mine. It coincides with the hate that I'm making it signs. Let me start from the beginning, now rewinding the clock. I pitch my heart in every inning like I did with the knock. And it don't stop, the body in motion stays in motion. Coach seat between the wings of this Boeing.
Been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to ride early in the morning. Been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to fly. Got to get along.
From a chicken wire frame in a house of wax to a rocket exploding into a cloud of bats. I've been it. Dog meat in the 76 Plymouth, sitting bitch. Antenna divining for live witches. Have buried a corpse. Can you suture a wound? Do you get a fuzzy feeling when the beautiful lose? Like I'm a hoop in the recruiter, snap voodoo enthused greatly. Improve a definitive crucible of move making. 4 balls finally to speak as an eyewitness. We will be closing in 5 minutes. Fine spinach, not a pleasantry. We're stirring only enemies of mercy. Up to levy any centipedes unearthing something dirty. Same nature later snap on his shoes. Maybe they ratty cause they actually got hot for his roots. That anger every perfect pivot to the city's nervous system. Till I make the following preferred decision. Listen,
been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to ride early in the morning. Been here for too long, said it's time to ride. Got to push it on, cause I'm time to come and go. Yes, it's time to fly. Got to get along. Wait for the sky.
1, 2.
Yeah, riff rap, weatherman, hieroglyphics, what up? Okay. Riff rap, alley with a boom slang, drip drop, venom with a new twang, same swagger, new fang. Who's gang stagger with similar dirty worms who occasionally cluster up the surface and observe. AR periscope, bash through the terror dome, zoom on a shark attack, clash till the thrill is gone. Bark back fresh off the pharmacy counter downer pop. Blame it on the overly aggy farming of power crops. Darkwing when I pioneer gear, cropping the odds with all the proper sprockets and cogs. I bounce with a set of sims equipped with a foul shall moment, waiting for that great celebrity towel throwing.
And you know what time is, preservation. The National Guard is me and Aesop. Rock stopping any operations against the fence. Zealous quick to dispense with foreign elements that gather and contribute to the decay. Straps will blaze, map your route, cause Aesop is absolute. Del, he practice shoot, basket hoops, capture fools with lasso loops. Hip-hop needs two veterans such as us who ain't never scared to tear a lid. Off the terrorist, Terran is aware of it. Therefore, Terran can take care of it.
Okay. I bang on doors, pay rent, lamp, and divert complaints. Script clicker, make rap music during commercial breaks. Darwin, Galapagos Island, evolution mutant, through the one-man species, shaking leeches off his pumas. Beached on the shores of whores and contaminator play. Sprout trying to out the older alligator fade away. Make us stay, please, I chisel the missile gently. Blast when the wagon, little finger kinda sends me. Green earth bum, walk a rank plank, feet first plunge. Like Del, keep the rugged bay under his thumb. Ace, keep the drum, keep pain under his lung. Ugly, proof an old dog learns more than a Rutley puppy.
You better have appreciation for this. DEL, I'm so hungry, man, I'm tasting the shit in the dirty, dingy basement abyss. And it's a just needle at you like an itch. The only reason why I like to strike it rich is to be able to keep the flow. That's how deep it go.